Sanwei Reson review. The best budget alternative to the Stiga clipper wood? The Sanwei resin immediately caught my attention because it reminds me of one of the most legendary blades in table tennis history, the Stiga clipper wood. After looking at its construction and specifications, it is clear that Sanwei has designed Reson around the same philosophy. A classic 7-ply all-wood blade that emphasizes stability, control, and confidence instead of relying on carbon fibers. At only €38, the resin could become one of the best value all-wood blades on the market. First impression. Sanwei has been producing excellent blades in recent years. The success of the Fextra 7 proved that the company understands how to build quality all-wood blades at an affordable price. Because Reson follows the same classic concept, my expectations are quite high. The blade belongs to Sanwei's Trio series and is designed for modern, all-round offensive players. Its specifications are structure, limba, I use, limba. Thickness 6.0 mm, weight 87, plus 5 G speed, all plus 2 off, price approximately €38. At first glance, these numbers already tell an interesting story. Compared to the Stiga clipper wood, which is around 7.0 mm thick, the resin is noticeably thinner. This should make it a little more flexible, providing slightly more dwell time and easier topspin generation, while maintaining the solid feeling of a 7-ply blade, a modern interpretation of the Stiga clipper wood. The Stiga clipper wood has been one of the world's most successful blades for more than 40 years. It is famous for combining power, stability, and natural wood feeling in a way that many modern composite blades still struggle to match. The resin follows the same philosophy. Like the clipper, it uses limba outer plies, which provide excellent grip on the ball and a comfortable feeling during looping. Inside, multiple IUs layers create the solid backbone that gives 7-ply blades their famous stability. This construction is ideal for players who dislike the hard artificial feeling of carbon blades and prefer the rich feedback that only pure wood can offer. Playing characteristics. Based on its construction, I expect the resin to offer a very balanced playing experience. The thinner 6.0 mm construction should provide a little more flex than the clipper wood. This means players can expect slightly longer ball contact, making it easier to generate heavy topspin while still enjoying the excellent stability that comes from a 7-ply blade. Blocking should feel very secure because the multiple IUs layers reduce vibration and increase stability against powerful attacks. Driving and counter-attacking should also be one of the strengths of this blade. The solid structure allows players to hit through the ball confidently without excessive vibration. For looping, the limba surface gives enough dwell time to produce heavy spin while maintaining precise placement. Unlike very fast carbon blades, the resin appears to prioritize consistency over maximum speed. This makes it much more forgiving during long rallies. Excellent for developing players. One thing I always tell my students is that your blade should help you improve your technique instead of hiding your mistakes. The resin seems to fit this philosophy perfectly. Because it is rated around all plus 2 off, it gives players enough speed to attack while still maintaining excellent control in the short game. Whether you're blocking, pushing, serving, looping, or counter-attacking, the blade should feel predictable and connected. This type of consistency is exactly what helps players build confidence during training. Who should buy the resin? I think the resin is an excellent choice for several types of players. Intermediate players who want to develop modern topspin technique without switching immediately to carbon blades. Advanced all-round players who appreciate the feeling of pure wood. Former clipper users looking for a more affordable alternative. Coaches searching for a high-quality training blade for their students. Even experienced offensive players who enjoy natural feedback may appreciate the resin's balanced characteristics. Value for money. This is probably where the resin becomes most interesting. A genuine Stiga clipper wood often costs between €70 and €90 depending on the version and retailer. The Sanwei resin costs only around €38. That is almost half the price. If the playing characteristics come close to the clipper wood, the resin could become one of the best value blades available today. You can use the coupon code EMRATICH5 to have 5% reduction when you buy the product on Sanwei website.